Hi, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to Rami channel. Today in Rami Chan family, I'm gonna show you guys how we spend our vacation this summer. This beautiful place. But before we go there, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell. 3, 2, 1. Yorokon Get! Welcome back, everybody. We are in Gunma area. This place is beautiful place. We got the guys here. We got some of our good friends over here. They're teaching the kids how to get in the water, to jump from that tree right there, and it's gonna be very, very good, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna enjoy it. So, hey, Kenji, how's the water? How's the water? The water's good? Samuyo. No. Ria-chan, how's the water, mama? Ria. Hi, Ria. How's the water? It's good? Okay. Hey, Judy, how's the water? It's good? Okay, we're gonna go inside now, okay? Yes, be ready. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Hey. Come on, Kenji, let's see. Hi, Kenji. Good job, Kenji.
Judy, nice.
Woo! You wanna do?
すごい、ケンジ泳いでる。
ケンジはガンガン行くね。それちょっと寒いの。
寒いんだよ。
ジュリー。
タオルかけてあげて。
コン。おいで、ジュリー。
Come on, Judy. It's so good. Come on. Wow, this place is amazing. So good. Come on, Kenji. Judy, come on.
Bye bye.
You ready? You're gonna jump over there, right?
なんて優雅なボードなの。はい、待って。待って。
Hi. Let's go, guys. You guys ready? Hi. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Let's do it. You want me to go? Okay, I'll go. Okay, I'll put you some. Right there. Right there. Look down. Judy, you want to do? Yeah, come on. You want to jump? Okay. Come on, puppy. Candy, you did it. Yes. Wow, but come on, Judy. I'll help you. I'll help you. Come on. It's not going to go down. Yeah. One more time? Yeah. Okay. Come on, Katie.
케이지普通にジャンプしなよ。
わ、なんか取ってる。Yeah. Okay. No. Come on.
船でした、船で。
なんだよ。ラミちゃんもいるよ。すぐ迎えに行くから大丈夫。船でした、船で。
ワン、ゴー！
That was it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This place was unbelievable. We had a tremendous time, and I hope you guys enjoyed Kenji-kun diving, Judy-kun diving, and Rami-chan diving as well. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell. And remember, this place, Gunma no Minakami. This place is awesome. Come here and spend some time here. Right? Count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Yoda Day! Yeah!